Happy holidays. My name is Joan Yusui Suzuki. My students and I are very happy to participate this holiday collaboration. We found this wonderful and interesting tree trunks at Golden Gate Park. After searching for a suitable location for the collaboration. I passed out this rough sketch of tree trunk to all the students, and they created their ideas for this large arrangement. Then I asked everyone to present their ideas to all of us. Some students brought materials to try. Like Eko in this picture is experimenting with the large paper lantern he ordered. Each person had unique ideas for using various materials. I enjoyed it very much and felt it was a great experience for all of us. We used these bleached Mitsumata branches I brought from Japan many years ago to create height. It took many tries to find the right angles to position them in, to contrast with the main tree trunks. Then we've added the curly willow to create movement and flow to the composition. We were very fortunate to have professional video director and producer John Rogers in charge of documentation for this project. We felt the location for this was very special for this event at the Golden Gate Park. We called the Park and Rec department ahead of time. We were very blessed with the nice weather for San Francisco, not too cold and not too foggy. For the first time since the beginning of the pandemic, we were able to meet in a person with everybody's enthusiastic participation. It turned out to be great collaborations for a holiday outdoor arrangement. We also enjoyed a potluck picnic. It was a wonderful time. So happy to hear feedback and interest in planning another similar event. Would you like to join us? Thank you very much for watching.